guys, it's Perris and I'm back with another Trying It for Science video. Guess what? Today, as I promised in the last video, it is going to get messy. You know why? Because today's episode is Explodin' It for Science. In today's episode, I'm attempting to make some soda art, make elephant toothpaste, and a glow-in-the-dark volcano. Let's get started. For this first project, you're going to need some 7-Up, Mentos, some acrylic paint, and a technical canvas. I just got a poster board paper and I cut it in a square, and we're going to work with the more papery side. Oh my gosh, it smells good, but I cannot drink it because it's for a science project. So start by mixing up your paint, and we're gonna dump it in there. And it's not mixing too well. Come on. You know what, guys? I have a better idea. I'm just going to go get food coloring. So yeah, instead of the pink paint, I'm just going to use food coloring. And I'm gonna drop that in there twice. Now what we're going to do is grab our Mentos. I'm gonna pick one for now because I'm super scared. I have my at-hand towel. Okay, here we go. It's working. Don't spill. It's working. I'm gonna add some more food coloring. Where did my food coloring go? Let's try that again. Hopefully it will work and make the art that I wanted it to. I think it only works the first time. I really wanted my art. The first project was a fail, and that's really upsetting because I really wanted some, soda art. It would have probably attracted ants, but, it would have been cool. I'm going to tell you guys why this project works, but it doesn't work. Alright, so it works because the 7-Up and the Mentos totally exploded. It didn't work because the colors did not stain the piece of paper. The 7-Up and the Mentos work because when you add Mentos, it adds extra fizz, and the soda is trying to find a way to escape the bottle. Like when you shake it, and then it explodes right after because it was trying to find a way to escape, but it just couldn't. Now it's time to move on to our next science project. Alright guys, for this project, we are going to be making elephant toothpaste. And what you're going to need for this is a bottle. I decided to use my 7-Up bottle, some peroxide, 3%, some yeast and warm water, dish soap, food coloring, and the glitter is optional. We're going to start by mixing our yeast and our warm water. Yeast, food coloring. The dish soap makes it stay longer. Got our glitter. Make sure that's close, so that's one big mess. And I'm gonna mix it around. Now we're going to add our peroxide. That's how it's supposed to come out. That's great. It's supposed to come out more foamy, and it's getting glitter in it and the colors, and it's really nice. Like, thing inside of here that is just magnificent. This is exactly how it was supposed to come out. I'm glad that it finally worked because the first time was definitely a fail. You want to put a lot more peroxide in there than most stuff. Yep, just like that. And if you can make it your glitter. Oh, it's working! Yeah. Well, okay, the thing is, I don't think you're supposed to add the peroxide till last, but it was telling me to add it right after the yeast. Should I touch it? I'm gonna touch it. Ooh, it's warm. It feels like, it really just does feel like foam. It's so pretty! Now that it's stopped, I can totally show you guys what it actually came out as. You can see the glitter, you can touch it. It feels really weird, like really. I'm pretty sure if I didn't have this baking can here, it would be all over the place and everything would be so messy and that would be a big, giant cleanup job, so. Alright guys, I'm going to tell you why this works. It's because of the decomposure of the hydrogen peroxide mixed with all the ingredients together, which is basically just the yeast and the yeast and the peroxide will do it on its own. You don't have to add the food coloring or the dish soap or the glitter unless you don't want it to be pretty. But other than that, it's basically just the yeast and the peroxide at work making this elephant toothpaste. Alright guys, for the glow-in-the-dark volcano, you are going to need baking soda, a jar or a bottle, an X-Acto knife or scissors, vinegar, and glow water. And we're going to be making glow water with these highlighters and this water, of course. Oh, and a bucket if you don't want it to get everywhere. Now what we're going to do is add vinegar to the glow water, but we're going to put it in the jar. So Now we're going to add our vinegar. You can pretty much eyeball this. Okay guys, now we're going to put our bowl into this jar bucket thing. Grab our baking soda, turn off the lights. Oh my gosh, sick! This looks so cool, oh my gosh. Okay, here's our glow water. And now we're going to pour our baking soda in. Make sure it's open. Here we go, guys. I can hear it. Don't disappoint. It's glowing! Yes! Guys, this is so cool. This is so beyond cool because my hands are glowing. So baking soda and vinegar causes a chemical reaction known as carbon dioxide. And that's a simple explanation, so it totally worked. You should try it at home. Don't get as messy as me, and make sure you have a UV black light or else this will not look as cool, guys. Alright? That is the end of Trying It for Science. I will see you guys in my next Trying It for Science video, and I think things are gonna get a little bit colory. Hint, 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 hint. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.